Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Got another day, another week in the market. Got interest rate cuts on Thursday. Let's see what happens. See whether the market already priced them in. Seem like they might have. If they do a 50% cut, man, it's going to be great. I think they're going to do another one in December also, but we're going to see what's going to happen. Like a 90% chance or 25%. I think like a 12, 15% chance, something like that. Numbers not adding up, but it's a lesser chance of a 50% cut. But I'm hoping we get a 0.75 by the end of the year. I actually want to go. I'm gonna go to with SoFi, the bank online bank. I'm gonna go get a loan from them for about 40 grand. That's why I'm hoping by the end of the year go down at least 0.75 per percent. I don't plan on doing this around by January. I'm letting interest rate cuts from December or November or September, October, whatever. The rest of the year, go on through. I'm gonna go and get that, and I'm gonna reinvest that money into the market with a cheaper interest rate after the interest rate cuts. But in December, I'm gonna see whether how many more cuts he gonna make for the year. It's not urgent. I just like to leverage debt to make money on dividends, man. That's what it's about. Using other people's money to make money. Keep yours in your pocket and live off it. You know, invested in long term plays. But for us, me flipping and lowering my average cost, I like to use other people's money. All right. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel. Also, show y'all a couple urgent stuff, urgent buys. Let's go with OPI. I'm gonna show y'all where this at. I've been telling y'all, I've been giving y'all this play. I know when I gave it to you, I said, it's an office REIT. It's risky, stay out of, but it's gonna be a swing trade. This got up to 81 cents today. Right now I'm up 63.62%, $1,287.87. Got a 52 high, $2.44 with low 17.5 cents. So I'm gonna hold that and let that run. At least past the dollar mark. TSLY. Telling y'all to buy this at $8 and under to nibble at it. It's at $8.87. The higher the share price, the higher the dividend it's gonna be. Let's look at Tesla, TSLA. Elon Musk went in and brought 1 billion shares, was pushed the stock up. Got up to like $426 today. I got that in another portfolio. PSEC, Prospect Capital. I went and brought another, I think in this portfolio, one portfolio, I brought another 300 shares. Brought that 280, 278, 276. This got down to 275 today, 276 at the low. Going in to buy some more of this at this price here. I mean, you can't, like I said, it's going to be a swing. It's gonna be a nice swing trade here. After the interest rate cuts, the BDCs will improve and go up along with the REITs. So go get some more of that for this portfolio. Let me hit this one and stay on my list and go in order. ORC or Orchid Island. This 12 cent a share month. I double down on this last week. I brought like 150 shares at $7.06. It's got down to 7.08 today. I'm going back in to buy some more shares. I definitely want to lower my average cost. I will be selling these shares when it goes back up for a swing trade. Keep the remaining shares for a dividend. I just want to lower my average cost. With MSTY, I'm running just doing this dollar cost averaging in this, not loading up. Get $3 worth. Just lowering my average cost, building my position out. 17.22 I'm at. Gotta take advantage. I like this at 8. Love it at 8.18 and under. Ticker CHPT charge point. Wait for this to hit that $12 mark when it go on this little squeeze. All these shares I'm buying, I'ma sell. I brought some between the $9 or the $10 and $9.50 mark when it did dip. I'm at $18.52 now. Those shares I will selling. I think I brought about 70 shares. Might not make but $2 a share, but it's about rinse and repeat, because that's what they doing with this stock. You don't even have the trade value in here. Now I got 510,000 average trade. Before it was like 4 and 5 million. But that's what we gonna do there. Wendy's. Ticket WEN. Down to 670, 963 today. Wendy's pay a dividend of 14 cents a share, which is a yield of like 8% or something now. When Robinhood catches up, there we go, 9.21%. So I definitely need to lower my average cost here. So buying in, like I said, I'm getting out of the food sector. Anyway, the other one getting a beating is Kraft Foods, KHC. We're going to get to that later. Well, we can go ahead now, KHC. This one keeps tanking. Definitely lowering my average cost in this one. Buying dollars. They consider this a buy and hold forever stock. You may ask why. 6.12% yield. That's a strong yield. 52-week low 25.44 with a high of $36.31. I'm gonna go get another $5 at this price. Definitely need to get this average cost down. I'm at 30.25 now. With the HRZN, Horizon Technology. I get my 5 shares of this every day. This is a steal at this price. These prices, especially below the $7 range, going in at $6.83. I am buying cash flow. This is like buying real estate. This is for cash flow, pays out monthly. I ain't got to change no toilets or none of that kind of stuff. I can always reinvest these dividends into some growth plays too. That's why I'm buying it. Just so y'all know, real estate is just a form of cash flow. You can get real estate every month, a week. You can get royalties. Say if you're a rapper or entertainer or something like that, they get like royalties and stuff. Get that every week, or author of a book. This cash flow is cash flow. You just want to make passive income, getting paid without having to work. That's why I like the stock market to be these, just dividends. Because it's passive. All you got to do is buy it and just get paid for holding shares. There's no other passive source of income better than dividends. Believe me, I done did it all. I own rooming houses. I do it. I got to go pick rent up. I got to waste gas. Got to waste time to go pick up the rent. Unless they, wiring the money to you. You got to worry about paying taxes. So if you're trying to make your money on real estate but don't want to report it to the IRS, got to keep it on the low. Got to have cash. And I'm going to leave that there. UPS, 84.33. You go right there. I know a lot of people down need to lower your average cost. That's what I am doing. MED. Like I said, you're the CEO of your portfolio. If you like the way I trade, follow me. MetaFast. I need to go get a couple shares of this. And swing trade this. Also, 52-week high right now is $21.98. I came down from all them nonsense 40s, 50s, and 60 numbers. Now it's starting to settle on in. 52-week live, $21.98. 11.57 is the low. I'm going to go in and get some shares of that. MFA Financial. I'm going to start buying 5 shares a week of MED at its weekly low. MFA Financial, 52-week low is 785, high 1345, P ratio 11.55, undervalued, 14.05% dividend yield. So anyway, I noticed that was down today, pulling back. Gonna go in and get some of that. Nice one to have for cash flow. But if you want cash flow, you got the ETFs. That ULTY is doing numbers, man. Let's go check out that one. I'm not buying any. I put 5 shares in another portfolio. I buy 5 shares a week at its weekly low. I got to go to my Webull to see what price I went in at. 560 still not bad. Actually, I'm gonna go in there and get something today. Go in at 556. Go get a share. That ain't gonna hurt me not get one every day. As long as in a decent range. At 556, gonna go and put one in. SCHD also is gotta take advantage of this price here, 27.32. I'm at 27.13. Definitely getting it in below this $28 mark. I got this on a $1 recurring. We're getting another $3 with it. OXSQ. Got 2016 shares. We'll get some at 217. It's paid 3.5 cents a share a month. That's what I buy. I buy cash flow. Y'all trying to retire, this be the way to go. Still gives you some growth stocks, but that cash flow you gotta have. You can use the cash flow to pay for your growth, growth stocks. The growth stocks is the golden egg. You know, that's like buying a Lamborghini, but you want to buy the golden goose to lay the eggs to buy the Lamborghini. Got land, LAND at $8.79. I'm buying a share of this every day. I need to lower my average cost. Actually buying 2 shares. Bringing the average cost down, $10.89 now. Why am I buying land? 52 high, 14.88, low of 8.47, 6.33% dividend yield. This is another REIT that's gonna benefit. They rent out land to the farm owners. Farmers not going anywhere. PFE definitely got some more of this today. Pfizer, when it's in my buy range, I buy like 10 bucks a day. When Robinhood catches up, I can break it down for you. All right, got a 52-week low of $20.92 with a high of $30.43. This always had a high of $37. Guess the correction starting to happen and giving you the reality, the real market of these market price of these stocks. 30.43 now. Market cap 135 billion. It's a dividend play, 7.16% yield. When this goes up, I'm probably gonna make my exit out of Pfizer. This medical, I mean, it's been getting whooped, man. It's a dividend play. It does hike its dividend though. They consider it a blue chip stock. I don't know for how long. The Pfizer has been getting whooped. If you look at the year to date, look at the last five years, it's been coming down. I'd rather put my stock in like Walmart or something. Walmart, I might get a lower yield, but I'm gonna get more growth out of it. This is a dividend play though. All right, Pfizer, DEO, Diageo Liquor Company. The other one I'm getting out of, when it brought some more of this today. Dividend yield 4.03%. 52-week low 142.73. Well, 52-week low 96.45 with a 52-week high $142.73. Market cap 56 billion. It's another one I'm gonna get out of. Read an article saying that, you know, people are drinking less, especially this up and coming generation. They more of a marijuana and other drugs type of people. So they're not really drinking, and a lot of people quitting drinking because of just lifestyle changes. All right, Brown-Forman. It's another liquor company. Got the Jack Daniels and stuff. Gonna get out of this one too. And plus tariffs, man. 3.26% yield, 52-week high, 49.89 with a low 25.53. P ratio 15.4. Did KHC was Kraft Foods. Went there. Do Flowers Foods. Ticker FLO. Keeps coming down. PE ratio 13.28. This actually got some more room to come down, so I'm just buying $5 a day. 7.04% yield. Market cap 2.87 billion. 52-week high 23.87. Like I say, as the days go by, that 52-week high gonna come on down. It's doing that with a lot of stocks, except for probably the tech sector. YBIT, YBIT options on Bitcoin. As you could, if you listen to me, I like this at $10 and under. It's the only time I buy it. When it's below the $10, I cash up. Just lower my average cost on this one, building my position. I'm at 1161. PFLT's got below $10 a day. Pays 10.2 cents a share every month. Definitely gonna get some of this. And we got the Dow, DOW. $24.65 at 30.58. Why am I buying this? 9.78% yield. Look at the market cap, 17.5, 52 low 2040, high 55.67. Believe me, that high gonna come on down. So let's go check out traps. We can get done with this trade for the day. Oh, ARR, I'm a residential REIT. I forget about that one. I did get some shares. I brought $250 worth of my Cash App portfolio, just down to $14.98. $20 right there. Run online with y'all. I did just have a buy order go through. I brought a numerous amount of shares. I want to say I brought 50 shares at $15, 15.02. I brought 50 shares. So let's check my average cost now. That sugar had an average cost like $21. Anyway, got it down to 2021. This is my time to shine. This probably right between the $14, $15 range. I need to bring this average cost down. I can sell it. I can flip this. 14.95. 25 shares. Extend it. Need to lower this average cost. I can sell this when it go back to 15.30. And I'm gonna buy. Got to get this average cost down. $19.89. That's fine. Woo. Don't know if this gonna break this. Seem like it's found its floor for the day at $14.95. At least I can say I got me 100 shares. I'm at 1960 right about now. But we're gonna see. Pays 24 cents a share a month, two people. And it's going to go back up after interest rate cuts. I might go get me another 100 shares. Let me just finish the trade up. MPW coming back down. Medical Properties Trust down 5% today. Last week was up $6.55. $6.55, 52 high. P ratio 2.15%. Dividend yield 6.24. This one REIT I'm probably gonna get out of. It did cut its dividend a while back, but they did clean up well. Paying 8 cents a share every quarter. Almost 3 cents a share a month. Dividend yield 6.24%. Market cap 2.92. That's when I might exit out. When it goes back up 52 high, I'm gonna make my exit. Like I said, I'm gonna operate a little leaner. I do like ARR. I'm a residential REIT. PSEC I already gave you. I do like PSEC for a swing trade. I like it for its average trade value. 3.48. With my other portfolio, I buy between 278, 280, and I sell it. Last week I sold some at 288. I just make a quick 8 to 12 cents a share and keep it moving, lowering my average cost. It's a nice start the swing trade. If you want to do that, get in and get out over and over because it plays between that range. These shares I'm a hold till probably the $3 mark with PSEC. And once it get old, it's probably gonna go back to $3.38 somewhere in there. Then I scalp profits and keep the rest for the dividend. Hopefully they don't lower their average cost again. They did do it. They lowered it in April. Went from 6 cents a share to 4.5 cents. Comcast. It's another one I'm gonna dump. Once it hit its 52-week high, right now dividend yield 3.87%, low 3103 with a high 4531, P ratio 5.46, undervalued company. So definitely a deal there. Let's look at pets on its way up, probably in above the $3 mark though. This is another swing trade I'm gonna get out of. 282 today. Got to get 5 shares of these prices. Just knocking down the average cost, man. You got to buy. And once it goes on the squeeze, you sell on that rip. It got up to $4.10. I didn't have any sell orders in place, but I'm making it happen now. BGS Foods down, but not in my buy range. BGS, I only buying that like 385 and under. Lionel Basel coming back down. I like it between 48 and 51. It's at 54 right now. I can add some fractional shares right here. Lower that average cost too. Should have above a 10% yield now with 9.82. 52-week low 47.55 with a high 97.60. So you dang sure got some upside with that one. FCG down 3%. No, we good here. They got to go below $4 for me to even buy anything. GSBD, Goldman Sachs BDC down 1%. That's a 1% discount for the day. I ain't tripping. I go get that nice quarterly pan. BDC. DISO to bring this down some more. 1306. I'm at 1526. Yeah, what I was at 15.48. 20 something shares, it said. There we go. 15.43 now. Slowly knocking on down. ARR, come back and visit that. FXK down another 1.82%. This been coming down, but it's a monthly dividend play. Take advantage of the dip. I don't buy a lot. I just do $3 here, $3 there. Just be lowering my average cost. 18.23. That's the only time I buy them. I just nibble at them. Might get another $2 of MSTY. I ain't worrying about it. $3 good enough because it's been acting up lately. Dig SCHD. That JEPI ain't doing nothing. No, I'm up in that. HDA 23.54. Need that to come down some more. At least below the $22 mark. And that is it, y'all. Enjoy y'all week. It's Monday. Sorry for the long trade, but it is what it is. Stay safe out there. Signing off. Go get your money.